little windy out there. Hey, as a family of 8, we like to do a lot of trips and travels. That's our thing. And when we do, we rent some really nice homes. This is a beautiful cottage that we rented here in Cornwall with the best views. Let us show it to you. The cottage is an old cart house, which is a building that used to be used to store carts, but now it's been renovated and modernized, and the location is absolutely beautiful with views of the South Cornish Sea and Mount St. Michael.
Coming through the door, you walk into a great room that's divided into a kitchen, a dining space, and a living space. In the dining space, we have this great wooden table and a view of the beautiful coast. But before we talk about the coast, let's talk about the living space. In this large living space, we have a massive couch, which is great for the family to lounge on, a fireplace that was also really nice to sit and warm by at night, a TV, books, and games. We spent most of our time here playing games like Jenga and Uno.
All of the exposed wood that you can see across the vaulted ceiling, that just added extra flair to it. The home was really beautiful and the fireplace worked really well. We use that every single night.
The kitchen was fully functional and worked well for a family of 8. We had all the appliances that we needed in addition to all the plates and silverware that we needed for the kids.
So the kitchen was really nice. I love the coloration of the countertops, the wood, all the appliances worked. We were able to wash baby bottles. We were able to cook in here. I love the skylight and then the views out over the sea. They were really beautiful. The cottage also has a really quaint stone walled garden. I love the garden space. It is so attractive.
Adjacent to the kitchen is a first bedroom. The first bedroom has this awesome little bunk system that 2 of our boys really enjoyed. It was a good room, good size for them. They really like staying here. The primary bedroom is spacious with a chair to sit in, a bed, and also another skylight.
The abundance of skylights really add a lot of light into the home. I can imagine in the summer, on those long days when the sun is really shining, the home would be very brightly lit.
The next bedroom is right off the living room and has a very unique feature. This room has this bed and also another bed up in the loft.
What I really appreciate about this room is the wood paneling behind the bed. It matches the pine paneling on the ceilings, but there's also a built-in in this room for a little study area.
As a parent, I also really appreciated having a full set of stairs to reach the loft area. It was easy access for either a child or an adult.
We had 2 other kids sleeping in this room, and what I can really appreciate as a parent is how tall that banister is. Kids are crazy, and this banister, which is well above kid height and well above their waist line, they can't jump over that easily. If you have a child that gets over that banister, they're a daredevil, and they did it on purpose. There's no accidental falling from that height, nor is there any accidental falling down the steps, because there's a nice rail on that as well. There's also great craftsmanship under the stairs. There's this nice little storage area. You can see the door is slanted, cut to fit that perfectly. And there's other little storage nooks as well.
I really like the old cart house for mixing old features with new modern design. In between the loft room and the primary bedroom is also a hall bath. The hall bath had a combined tub and shower feature, which was great for the kids, a sink, and a toilet. Kitchen is a utility room that we used a lot to wash clothes. We love having rentals with washer dryers.